Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome to Beast Eggs TV. Thank you for stopping by our humble channel. Really glad to have you here. Today, we're making the easiest, most delicious sushi rolls ever. Salmon and avocado sushi rolls. Ready in just 5 minutes. No special tools needed, just pure sushi magic. Let's dive in. Before we get started, did you know that sushi has a fascinating history? Sushi originated in Japan as a way of preserving fish and fermented rice. Over time, it evolved into the fresh, vibrant dish we know today, enjoyed by millions around the world. Our version today combines traditional sushi elements with a modern twist: smoked salmon and creamy avocado. Here's what you'll need: sushi rice, fresh smoked salmon, creamy avocado, and nori sheets. That's it. Simple, fresh, and oh so tasty. Start by laying your nori sheet on a flat surface. No sushi mat? No problem. We're keeping it super simple. Spread a thin layer of sushi rice evenly over the nori, leaving about an inch at the top edge. The rice sticks the roll together, so make it nice and even. Now place your smoked salmon and avocado slices right in the center of the rice. Salmon gives a smoky kick, while avocado adds that creamy, dreamy touch. It's a match made in sushi heaven. Here's where the magic happens. Carefully roll up your sushi from the bottom, pressing gently but firmly. Seal the deal with a bit of water on the top edge of the nori. Slice your sushi roll into bite-sized pieces. Look at those perfect, colorful slices. Now plate it up, and don't forget a side of soy sauce for dipping. Look at that gorgeous sushi. Time for the taste test. That's incredible. The creamy avocado and smoky salmon are just perfect together. Enjoyed this quick sushi fix? Let's talk health benefits. Salmon contains omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for your heart and brain. Avocado provides healthy fats and a good dose of fiber, making this sushi not only delicious, but also nutritious. Salmon is packed with omega-3s for heart and brain health, high-quality protein for muscle growth, and vitamin D for bone health. Avocado provides healthy fats, fiber for digestion, potassium for blood pressure regulation, and antioxidants for eye health. Nori is rich in iodine for thyroid function, B vitamins for energy, and iron for oxygen transport. Even the sushi rice offers energy-boosting carbs and gut-friendly resistant starch. This sushi isn't just delicious, it's a nutritious powerhouse. Thanks for cooking with us today here on Beast Eggs TV. Remember, sushi doesn't have to be complicated to be amazing. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. We really appreciate your support. Thank you, always stay positive, and have a great day. See you next time with more delicious recipes. Until then, keep rolling. Cheers.